there doesn't look like there's going to be any.
Beach.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Well, there's a little bit of beach.
The roads are quite a bit up here. Here comes somebody.
Yeah.